Mathematics 2B, chapter number 7, definite integral. This is the part number 3. Last part completed introduction of the definite integration and exercise 7a total completed. Today discuss exercise 7b indefinite integration. Exercise 7b Roman number 1. What is that question? Evaluate the following definite integrals. Evaluate the following definite integrations. This one is the first problem. You can read first problem. Integral 0 to a square x minus x cube whole dx. First of all, in this formula, in this problem, you can write integral 0 to a square x dx, separate limit. Here also be integral 0 to a x cube dx. Here integral 0 to a square x. First term you can write integration. Second term also be you can write integration. You can write separately integration. After that here a square is common. Integral 0 to a x into dx. A square is common. Integral 0 to a x into dx minus integral 0 to a x cube dx. Next, what is the integration of x? X integration is x square by 2. Already explained integration topic. Important formulas also explained. That formulas integration of x, nothing but x square by 2 plus c. Here x square by 2 limits is 0 to a minus integral x cube. X cube integration is x power 4 by 4 0 to a. This is the limit. Here 0 is the lower limit, a is the upper limit. You can write first upper limit, after that lower limit. A square into a square by 2 minus 0 square by 2. Here a square into upper limit a square by 2 minus 0 square by 2 minus here upper limit a power 4 by 4 minus 0 power 4 by 4. Here also you can write upper limit a, lower limit 0. After that a square into a square by 2 minus 0 square nothing but 0, 0 by 2 nothing but once again 0 minus a power 4 by 4, 0 power 4 value also be 0, 0 by something also be 0, you can write 0. After that a square into a square by 2 minus 0, nothing but a square by 2 minus a power 4 by 4 minus 0, nothing but a power 4 by 4. After that a square into a square, a power 4 all by 2 minus a power 4 by 2. You can take LCM. Here 4 is there. Here 2 4 LCM is 4. After that you can write 2 a power 4 minus a power 4. 2a power 4 minus a power 4 nothing but a power 4 by 4. This is the integral of 0 to a square x minus x cube whole dx value is a power 4 by 4. After that second problem. Second problem is what sir? Integral 2 to 3 2x by 1 plus x square whole dx. Here observe the students, suppose this one is f of x. What is the derivative of 1 plus x? Suppose put f of x is equal to denominator 1 plus x square. Then f dash x is what? Then f dash x. F dash x is equal to, here f dash x nothing but derivative 1 derivative 0. X square derivative 2x into dx. 2x here f dash x is 2x. You can write in this formula integral, this one is f of x, this derivative is 2x is there, f dash x into dx. You know that this formula integral f dash x by f of x into dx formula is what? Log of mod of f of x plus c. This one is the formula. This formula also be using in integration topic. Integral f dash x by f of x into dx is equal to log of mod of f of x plus c. Here what is the value of f of x? Here integral f dash x by f of x form is there. You can write this formula log of mod of f of x value is 1 plus x square 1 plus x square, limits is 2 to 3. Limits is what here? 2 to 3. This is in the form of integral f dash x by f of x. Integral f dash x by f of x into dx formula what? Log of mod of f of x. You can write here upper limit first. Log of 1 plus 3 square. Upper limit is here x value is 3 square minus log of 1 plus here lower limit is what here? 2 square, nothing but 2 square. After that log of 1 plus 3 square value 9 minus log of 1 plus 2 square value is 4. 1 plus 9 how much? Log of 1 plus 9 log 10 minus log 5. Here base is e. We can write base is any one. You can write base is e. After that log a minus log b. Formula what? Log a by b. Nothing but 10 by 5. Correct or not, students? Log a minus log b. Here a value is 10, b value is 5. Log a by b. 5 ones are 5 twos are. Then you get log 2 base is the answer. This is the integral of 2 to 3 2x by 1 plus x square all dx value is log 2 base. This is very important and repeated problem in IP examination. Next problem is integral 0 to pi square root of 2 plus 2 cos theta d theta. 2 plus 2 cos theta d theta. This is a problem. In this problem you can write integral 0 to pi square root of, in this 2 term which one is common? 2 is common, 2 common, 1 plus cos theta d theta. After that square root of a into square root of b form is there. What is the formula of square root of a into b? Square root of a into square root of b. Square root of a nothing but square root of 2. Square root of b nothing but square root of 1 plus cos theta into d theta. Here 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2 formula is there. This is which formula? Trigonometry formula. 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. That's why this formula you can write here integral 0 to pi. Here square root is common. Square root is common. Square root of 1 plus cos theta value 2 cos square theta by 2 already formula is there into d theta. Here this one is a, this one is b. You can write separate square root. Square root of 2 into integral 0 to pi square root of 2 into square root of cos square theta by 2 into d theta. Here square root of 2 into square root of 2. Square root of 2 is there. Here square root of 2. Square root of 2 into square root of 2 nothing but 2. Integral 0 to pi square root get cancelled. You get cos theta by 2 d theta. You get cos theta by 2 into d theta. After that what is the integration of sin x by 2 or cos theta by 2? Sin x by 2 integration minus cos x by 2 by 1 by 2. Here what is the integration of cos x? Integration of cos ax dx is equal to sin ax by a plus c. This one is the formula. You can write cos ax nothing but 1 by 2 theta. You can write 2 into sin theta by 2 by 1 by 2. Here a value is 1 by 2. Limits is 0 to pi. Here 1 by 2 goes to numerator. You get 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. After that sin theta by 2 limits is 0 to pi. First we can write upper limit. What is upper limit here? Sin theta value is pi by 2. Theta value is pi by 2 minus sin theta value is 0 by 2. Sin of pi by 2 nothing but 90 degrees. Sin 90 how much? 1 minus sin 0 by something. 0 by something value is 0. Then sin 0 value is 0. You get 4 into 1. That value is 4. This is also be very important problem in IP examination 2 marks problem. Integral 0 to pi square root of 2 plus 2 cos theta d theta value is 4. Next problem. What is that next problem? Integral 0 to 2. Integral 0 to 2 modulus of 1 minus x dx. Here modulus is there. Here modulus of 1 minus x having two values. Correct or not, students? Modulus of x also be having two values. One is positive, another one is negative. Similarly, modulus of 1 minus x value is one is positive, next one is negative. Which condition modulus of 1 minus x having positive? Here x value more than 1, you get 1 minus more than 1 nothing but 2. Here x value, this is a 1 more than 1, 2 3 4 anyone. 0 minus 1 minus 2, these are the less than. Here more than 1 2, you can write 2. 1 minus 2 minus 1, 1 minus 3 minus 2, 1 minus 4 minus nothing but x value more than 1, that modulus having negative. That's why x value more than 1, modulus of 1 minus x value is minus 1 minus x. After that, if modulus of less than 1, this value is opposite. Less than 1 nothing but, you can write 0, 1 minus 0 1, you can write minus 1, 1 minus of minus 1 plus 2, that is positive. That's why this 0 to 2 interval, this 0 to 2 interval, 0 to 1 union 1 to 2, 0 to 2, this is 0, this is 2, divide 1, 2 intervals, 0 to 2 interval divides 1, 2 sub intervals, that is 0 to 1 is a one interval, 1 to 2 is another interval. That's why you can write integral 0 to 2, 0 to 2 nothing but 0 to 1 modulus of 1 minus x dx plus 1 to 2 modulus of 1 minus x dx. This interval divides 2 sub intervals. This formula also be explained first part definite integration topic. After that, here 1 minus x, 0 to 1 interval, 0 to 1 nothing but the value lies between 0 to 1. 0 to 1 interval, this value having positive or negative, this value having positive. That's why you can write 0 to 1, value is 1 minus x plus 1 to 2. 1 to 2 nothing but more than 1. More than 1, this modulus of 1 minus x value having negative. 1 to 2 having a negative 1 minus x, minus of 1 minus x. After that, separated integration, integral 0 to 1 dx minus integral 0 to 1 x dx minus integral 1 to 2 1 dx plus into minus, minus integral 1 to 2 1 dx minus into minus plus into plus integral 1 to 2 x dx. After that, you can write formulas. Integral 1 dx nothing but x, 0 to 1. Integral x dx nothing but x square by 2. Interval also be 0 to 1. Integral 1 dx nothing but x. Interval is 1 to 2. Integral x dx nothing but x square by 2. X square by 2. Interval nothing but 1 to 2. This is the limits. You can write limits here. Here upper limit is 1 minus lower limit is 0. Here upper limit 1 square. 1 square value is 1 by 2 minus 0 square. 0 square value is 0. 0 by something also be 0 minus of upper limit 2, lower limit 1 plus here upper limit 2 square. 2 square value how much? 4 by 2 minus lower limit 1 square. 1 square value how much? 1 by 2. After that, simplify this total. You get what? 1 minus 0 value 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 0 value 1 by 2 minus 2 minus 1 value 1 plus 4 by 2 nothing but 2 plus 2 minus 1 by 2. You get here 1 minus 1 get cancelled. 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Here which value is there? 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Here plus 1 minus 1 cancel. 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. You get minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 nothing but minus 1. You get 2 minus 1. This value equal to minus 1. After that, 2 minus 1 value how much? 1. This is a value of integral 0 to 2 modulus of 1 minus x dx value is 1. This is a one more important problem.